Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another cooking video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most simplest, easiest peach cobbler. Let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients that you're going to need for this peach cobbler are ginger, that's optional, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, sliced peaches. You can use the can like I'm using, or you can use fresh peaches or frozen. The first thing I'm going to do is melt 1 tablespoon of butter in this glass pan. So here are the peaches. I chopped them up just a little bit because I personally like them cut up smaller instead of bigger slices. In the pan we have a tablespoon of butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger. That is roughly about 1 teaspoon of each seasoning. Now unfortunately some seasonings didn't get recorded, but you're also going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to add a 1/2 cup of white sugar or cane sugar like I used. You're going to add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Once all of our ingredients are in, we want to combine everything together. Make sure there's no sugar clumping up on us. We want to make sure everything is smooth and good to go for caramelization. This is the secret ingredient I like to add in. I'm not sure if many people do this. I like to add a little bit of creamer, not just any creamer. I like to add a flavored creamer. As you saw, this one is an Italian style sweet cream. When I tell you it kicks it up just a real good notch that you need for this peach filling, try it if you have not already. I promise you will love this, okay? Just want to combine everything together, make sure it's really, combined really good. And we're just gonna leave this on the stove on a medium-low heat while we go ahead and make our batter for the topping of this peach cobbler. So for my batter I like to make is already in the bowl. I have in 1 cup of all-purpose unbleached flour. I then add in 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, no ginger because I already have the ginger in the filling. Then I add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 cup of sugar. Combine all the dry ingredients together so there's no clumps. And this batter is going to be more like a sponge cake texture. It's really delicious, nice, light, and airy. Now that the dry ingredients are all combined together, you're going to add in 1 cup of milk. Don't do what I did and add 2/3 twice to this batter. That's not how it works. And you're also going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla to this as well, and combine everything together, and you want to end up with a nice silky batter, okay, almost like a pancake batter. Now that the batter is fully combined, let's move on to putting everything together. Here is the beautiful, delicious peach filling, okay? You can even put this over some ice cream and call it a day. But we're making peach cobbler, so let's get back to it. So we're gonna go ahead and pour the peach filling into the melted butter pan. Then we're gonna take that batter we just made, pour that over the peaches, the nice warm peaches. And if you wanted to, you could add your batter before the peach filling if you wanted to. But for me, I love a good breading on top of my peach cobbler. So we're gonna just do that instead. Make sure you spread it all around evenly, although it will move around in the oven, in the baking process. It will rise, it will move, it will adjust, okay? So you're gonna just kind of spread that around if need be. And once you do that, we're gonna go in and add the cinnamon and sugar to the top. This is optional, okay? I'm extra, so I like to add extra to my food. So do the cinnamon and sugar, and here it is. And we're gonna bake it in the oven for 350 for 15 minutes. And here it is out the oven, completely done. We're gonna allow it to cool, and I promise you guys, I will make sure to serve you up a bowl. Now that it has cooled down, but still very nice and warm, I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys plated. I'm gonna give you guys a nice scoop of peach cobbler, and just for being so awesome, I'm gonna give you 3 scoops of ice cream, okay? And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you try this recipe out for yourself. I promise you guys you will not be disappointed. It is one of my favorite desserts to indulge in. I am a true Georgia peach, so I love anything peach cobbler. So delicious. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe and notification bell so you won't miss a beat on when I do post again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.